So how did you choose agency and why, man? Like why agency, or how come it came to that?
It's actually funny. I was before everything right now. I was a freelancer. So back in like 2016, 17, I was like 16 years old or something like that. Yeah, I'll be 24 this year. So around 16, 17, and I was just like hustling on Upwork and like finding clients through Twitter. I remember I was first a thumbnail designer, and then as years progressed, I progressed over into video editing. I was doing video editing, primarily only video editing for, entrepreneurs, stuff like that, and that was making me like $500 to $1,000. And then back in 2019, I actually started a Instagram page. That page blew up to 100K of followers, and I started to reach out to other people to help them with video editing over that page, Instagram page. And I basically signed my first client, which was actually the client that was working with Grant Cardone. So it was like mind blowing to me that I could like work with Grant Cardone, like not directly with him, but through that client. And yeah, back then I started earning like $1,000 a month, and I even got a call from bank. They called me like, where did you get those $1,000? And I was like a college student. I didn't know like what to do right now. I said, oh, one of my family from USA sent me or something like that.
Okay.
And basically that's when I started freelancing. 2018, 19 was when I really got serious about it. In college dorm room, I was hustling every single day. I remember I was like working 10 to 12 hours a day, and just video editing. Yeah, that was the start. And then later on, I realized that I have multiple different skills. I know how to do thumbnails. I know how to do video editing. I also know how to do a little bit of SEO. I was not really familiar too much with the SEO. And then I said, why not package this into like a service? I could offer SEO. I could offer pretty much the whole done for you service, so that my clients can only sit down, record a video, and that's it. And I was like surprised it was working good. I got like first two sales in 2018, end of 2018, and I basically transformed this into a full-time agency. I first hired one person, which was my best friend, and at that time, and then I basically met Teen, and we both scaled together in like 2019-ish, something like that, around middle of 2019. And yeah, then we basically scaled it up to right now $10,000. And I realized, before I was a freelancer, I was doing just like single packages, low ticket packages, but I needed something high ticket so that I can sell to other people that need it, and so I can go into the market where I could potentially sell to people that have the money to basically afford that. So yeah, overall right now I'm on that journey ever since. Basically just transitioned from freelancer to a business owner or agency owner. And right now, honestly, I don't work that much. I just communicate with clients. Eventually I will remove myself entirely from communication as well, but yeah, I just like to be and work on something, so it's like in the couple of months, like 6 months already, I'm doing also YouTube automation, also SEO based channels based on my knowledge on everything that I do in my agency. I also have that as well. So that's kind of my story. It was a little bit longer, but yeah.
No, that's good, man. That's good. And you're saying right now you have multiple things running for you as well. So like you have the agency, but then you
Yep.
started doing extra things, I guess, because you had, I believe,
Yep.
extra money, more time, a little bit on your hands.
Exactly. Right now, our agency, it's pretty much generating good money, good profits. And also we have YouTube automation channels. It's also generating good profits. And yeah, we're just investing that into the coaching that we have right now. We basically help freelancers and, other agency owners to scale to that $5,000 to $10,000. So yeah, and I think I'm the most passionate about coaching business because I like helping people, and obviously they will pay, for my help, but I really like helping people. And I think that's something that if you like it, you will be more fulfilled later on, because working with the clients in the agency is good, but you're just doing the service delivery. You're not really changing anyone's life that much, right? But if you work with one-on-one with someone and you change their life, for example, one freelancer was doing $0, and then he got within our program, and now he's doing like five to 7K a month. So that's life changing,
Yeah.
for someone, and it's life changing for me because I get to do that as well, to help others.